Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is a 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and our yesterday's analysis was perfect. We got the sell opportunities we were waiting for, and we got a perfect sell below 2011, then we got a perfect sell below 2008, then we got the ultimate sell at below 1999. And we can see on the chart that market made a low of 1985. To be honest, my target was around 70 to 80 pips. Okay, but market made a low of 1985, and which was extraordinary. Right now you can see that market is right now standing at 1991. This is the current market price. But if we look at the structure of the market right now, then you can clearly see that the structure of the market is not very positive. In fact, couple of days ago, around Saturday, we discussed about the possibility of a big fall, big correction on the chart of gold because of divergence on the weekly chart, and maybe this is just the starting. Okay. And right now, as you can see, that the structure is not very positive, so as a result there is still a high chance that market will be going down further. First of all, if we look at the chart of DXY, we can see that DXY is trying its best to maintain the support here, the support level of around 102.40, 102.30. This level is right now acting as the support. As I said yesterday, if DXY starts falling, then the next support will be around 101.95. Okay, 101.95 to 101.88. This is the next support on the chart of DXY if this level fails. But as you can clearly see, that DXY is not in a mood to surrender, and further upside possible. And maybe by today or tomorrow, DXY may also form a double top. Nobody knows that. So let's wait and watch. But in case this level fails, we have next support around 101.95 to 101.88. And the next top of DXY is still the same that we have discussed previously, 103.32. Overall, the level at the top has not changed. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. So if we look at the overall chart here, then you can see that after the uptrend here, market was kind of sideways, market was choppy, there was no clear direction. Okay, so swing traders, still things are a little bit dicey for you. Swing traders, you still do not have any clarity about the direction of the market. But for day traders, we have a clear direction that is towards the downside. So let's discuss the opportunities one by one. First of all, we have a strong support zone. Okay, we have a strong support zone around 1974 to 1968. This is the next support zone where we have buyers. We have a good quantity of buyers around this area. As you can see that this is a big zone. You can see the green box is quite big here, but my dear friend, this is not in my hand, I can't help it. Okay. If I zoom in, then you can see that market has shown strong price rejection around this area. So this whole level is working as a zone. So if market starts falling, you can definitely expect that 1974.68 is the next support. Whenever you will see market entering inside the zone, simply go to the hourly time frame and wait for the market to show price rejection from below. Once you'll see that market is showing price rejection from below, market is showing hammer kind of a pattern, or any good price rejection will also do. Once you get the confirmation, you can go for a buy. Okay, and apart from previous support around the area, if we take the help of Fibonacci, then we can see that we also have Fibonacci 0.382 around this area as well. So we have a kind of a double confirmation, you can say that. And the ultimate support on the chart of the gold is around 1936. Why 1936? 1936 because price rejection around this area, and as well as we have Fibonacci 50% retracement level. As we all know, Fibo 50 is a very strong level in comparison to 0.382 or 0.236. Fibo 50 is quite a strong level, so definitely you can expect a bounce. So my dear friends, if the fall continues, day traders, you can definitely look for some buy level around 1974 to 68 level. Once you'll see market taking support and going up, you can go for a buy.
यस। सब पूछते हैं यार तो इतना एक्सपर्ट ट्रेडर कैसे बना, तुम्हारा सीक्रेट क्या है? यार वो बात सीक्रेट है ही नहीं जो सब लोग जानते हैं, है ना? लेट मी प्रूव इट टू यू। हे अतुल।
हाँ
भाई, तेरे दिमाग में क्या आता है जब मैं बोलता हूँ स्टॉक्स, बॉन्ड्स, ETFs एंड कमोडिटीज?
वेंटेज।
पांडे जी,
क्या है?
अगर आपको अलग अलग मार्केट्स में स्टॉक्स खरीदने या बेचने हो तो, जैसे US, UK या हांगकांग?
सुबह सुबह क्या मजाक है? ऑफ कोर्स वेंटेज है ना।
बेबी, ये लाइव प्राइसिंग और ट्रेड अपडेट्स कहाँ मिलते हैं?
वेंटेज पे। अब मैं चैन से मूवी देख लूं? दिस इज रियली नाइस।
भैया, यू नो व्हाट, अगम को भी आपकी तरह ट्रेडिंग का बहुत शौक है। आई मीन ही इज लर्निंग।
रियली?
हाँ जी
तो तुम ट्रेडिंग कहाँ से सीख रहे हो?
भैया, वेंटेज पे है ना फ्री एजुकेशन मटेरियल्स, तो बस वहीं से।
सब लोग वेंटेज पे ट्रेड करते हैं और ट्रेडिंग के बारे में सब कुछ वेंटेज पे मिलता है। तो अगर आपको भी स्मार्ट ट्रेडिंग करनी है, ट्रेड कीजिए वेंटेज पे।
मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग ग्लोबल मार्केट्स पे लाइव प्राइसिंग और ट्रेड अपडेट्स, फ्री एजुकेशनल मटेरियल्स, आपकी सारी ट्रेडिंग एक प्लेटफॉर्म पर। वेंटेज, कीजिए बेहतरीन ट्रेड। डाउनलोड कीजिए वेंटेज ऐप।
Okay, and my dear friends, as you can see that right now the market structure is not very positive. So yes, during the day we can also look for some sell opportunities around the levels of 1999 to 2004. You can see here already market is showing signs of recovery, but if we compare with this candle here, then obviously the sellers are in dominant position. You can see that the size of the red candles are huge in comparison to the size of the green candles, ongoing green candles, which clearly shows the dominance of the sellers in this moment right now. So in this type of situation, obviously you can look for some selling opportunities as well. So first of all, we have level around 1999. Okay, 1999 to 2000. Around this level we have some selling opportunity. This is the same level, okay, which was acting as support till yesterday. So the same support will now be acting as the resistance here. And if we consider FIBO from this particular level here, you can see here the same level, okay, the same level, okay, here we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So during the day, if the recovery on the gold continues, then observe the market around this area, not on the Forex chart. Forex chart will be very slow for you. Simply switch to the 50 minutes time frame or the 1 hour time frame. If you see market struggles around this area, market is showing price rejection from above, then you can definitely consider a sell position. But here the volatility of the market will play a big role, because right now I am recording this video in the Asian session. During the Asian session we do not see much volatility, and during the European session or US session, if the volatility of the market increases, then there is a chance that market may break this level as well. So observe the volatility, then only take a decision. Be a trader, not a gambler. So if market hits the level and reverses, you can look for a sell position, and in case market breaks the level, then you can look for selling opportunity around 2004 to 2005. This is the next level where you can look for selling opportunity if the level of 1999 to 2000 fails. Okay, and why are we considering this level here? We are simply using Fibonacci here, nothing else. Okay, and we are also expecting that previous support around this area will also be acting as resistance. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now. In case you miss anything, then also don't be sad, because not every day is not the same. Okay, yesterday we had good opportunities, we made money, we made profit. So if you do not get plenty of opportunities today also, don't be sad, because market is not the same. So that's all from my side, my dear friends, and thanks a lot for the overwhelming response for the 3 days workshop. The Hindi workshop is starting from today, and the English workshop will start from 22nd. So if you're still interested, you can obviously sign up for the 3 days workshop for the English session. And that's all, my dear friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care, and please follow proper risk management. As I always say, do not gamble. Bye bye. Take care.